Hi everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I'm glad that you came back. A quick apology if you saw yesterday's video, at least the beginning rant part. I do apologize for that. Told you guys I feel very comfortable with you, but thinking about it last night, it's like, man, you guys don't need to hear all that crap. You just don't. So if you didn't see it, it's not there. I edited it out. But all the cool comments, the emails, the texts I got, phone calls I got, thank you. I appreciate that. I'm going to stay focused, keep it fun, keep it positive, because that's what we've always done on this channel, and that's what we're going to continue to do. So thank you for that. That being said, I need your help on a future, just all these nutty ideas I have around Corvette to promote it, you know, not just the sales part of it, the ownership part of it. Here's something fun that you guys can partake in. What do you like doing better? Do you like driving your Corvette better, or do you like cleaning it better? Now, some of you over the board nuts on cleaning your car. I respect that. It's crazy, but I still respect it. But I get it. Sometimes, yes, the pride of ownership extends to cleaning it. It's like, don't touch it. I'll do that. I'll do the window. Let me do that. I got to process how I do this. I got my materials that I use. I get that. So here's what I want you guys to do. Send me some pictures. It could be PDR video footage of you driving the car, maybe a nice cruising. This is a great time of the year too, up in this part of the country. Get some fall foliage. Send me some pictures of what you like to do. Do you like driving it better? Or do you take better pride in, yeah, I love having the car, driving the car, but I like cleaning it. And then step back and look at my creation of cleanliness. Yeah, so any pictures, video you want to send me, you can text it, you can email it, all that information's been up on the screen, and I'm looking forward to that. Now you remember another video I asked for your help on. I was actually going to hold that video off until we had live in the flesh to show you Accelerate Yellow. And I want to show the history of yellow on Corvette and tie that into where we're at right now going forward with the future of the C8 mid-engine Corvette and the new yellow that is yet to be seen on the car in person by most of us anyways. So forget that. I'm not going to wait until Daytona. So we're going to do that this Sunday for you guys, showing the history of yellow on this car. Now granted, you just simply can't beat a red Corvette. But yellow is also fun, it's vibrant, it's Corvette racing, and it's changed so much over the years. I want to show you the history of yellow on Corvette and to where we're at, and then also share the yellow pictures that you guys sent in. So thank you so much. That'll be coming up Sunday on Coffee with Conti. Tomorrow, a brief video talking about accessories for the C8 2020 mid-engine Corvette. But don't forget, the premise of this video was just say, hey, we're still here. I appreciate you guys. And we're refocused, and we're going to stay positive, and we're going to continue to move forward. And I want your help on this other video I want to create. What do you like doing better? Do you like driving your Corvette, or do you like cleaning it? Send us pictures, videos, comment. I want to share all that. I think that'll be interesting. I really do. Support this channel if you haven't already. Here's what's bizarre to me. When I look at the analytics of YouTube, taking it serious, trying to grow, trying to get better, do you know 72% of the people that watch our videos here on the channel don't even subscribe? So it's free. If you need help on that, let me know. I'd be happy to walk you through it. Subscribe, hit the bell notification so we do new uploads. You're, yeah, okay, YouTube, do da. Thumbs up this video, make comments down below. Love hearing from you guys. Thanks again. I'll talk to you soon. Tomorrow.